and welcome again. Learning time or parts of the day is the basic of every language. Time of the day loosely translated to nkarhi wa siku in Xitsonga. Let's learn how to express different type or parts of the day in Xitsonga. Mahlambandlovu is the early morning after midnight. Vuronga is the early morning after 3 a.m. Matakusha is the early morning before 5 a.m. Mpunzu is the early morning after 5 a.m. when there is sunrise. Early in the morning will translate hi mahlambandlovu na vuronga, hi matakusha na mpunzu. Misho morning na misho in the morning. Nhlekani afternoon na nhlekani in the afternoon. Mpimabayeni is around 1 to 3 p.m. afternoon. Nzenga is the noon after 3 to 5 p.m. when the sun is in the cloud, depending. Late in the afternoon translates hi mpimabayeni na nzenga. Madambu evening is when the sun has just set and it is not yet dark outside. Namadambu in the evening. Mashusho, late evening, is during the time when there is darkness outside. Himashusho, late in the evening. Vusiku, night, is during the night when it is completely dark outside. Navusiku, at night. Xikarhi ka vusiku, midnight. Exikarhi ka vusiku, at midnight. Example in a sentence, ndzi ta ku vona namixo, I will see you in the morning. More vocabulary. Nhlekani is they, na nhlekani during the day, ku vonakala daylight, ku lohosi or xilohosi in broad daylight. Kuxa or kuxa ka dyambu, sunrise. Kurenga, overcast, is also khidzimbela, kupela or kupela ka dyambu, sunset. Xinyami, dark or kubyihala. Munyama, darkness. Kuna xinyami, it is dark, kulo byi. Exinyamini, in the dark. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.